Hi, I'm Dr. Bonnie Boles. I'm the Chief Medical Information Officer here at Tanner Health System. My background is that I'm a pulmonologist, which is a lung doctor. Today I want to talk to you about why you should get the COVID-19 vaccine. So there's something that you may have heard about called herd immunity. Herd immunity is also known as population immunity. And there are two factors related to population immunity or herd immunity. And the most important things are what percentage of the population needs to get sick and how long immunity lasts. And this is a natural way to decrease ongoing infection. So what we know about SARS-CoV-2 or the COVID-19 virus is that your immunity once infected lasts for 3 to 9 months. We also know that because it is highly transmissible, that up to 70% and probably more of the population needs to be infected and develop immunity for us to move back as close to normal as we can and get our lives back. So how do those numbers work out? If 70% of people need to develop immunity and it's highly transmissible and immunity only lasts 3 to 9 months, that means that we would have to have hundreds of thousands of Americans get infected every 9 months to continue this type of immunity, and it means more than 2 million more Americans would die. As it stands today, we have twice as many patients hospitalized in the United States than we did during any other time in this pandemic. Fortunately, there are other ways to achieve herd or population immunity and prevent this virus from continuing to spread, and that is through vaccinations. Vaccinations are the best way that we know to develop your body's own immunity. And I like to look at it like this. Your medical team, our healthcare heroes, have been fighting. They've been fighting a war against this virus from the very beginning. And now it's time for us to take this vaccine and create our own soldiers in our bodies, our antibodies and our T cells, our T helper cells and T killer cells. This vaccine allows those cells to recognize this virus and kill it. And the best way for us to get our lives back on track and hopefully back to normal would be to get the vaccination and get this immunity. If we try to wait for natural immunity, we just won't make it and many more people will die. Not to mention the economic loss. If this continues and we try to go with natural immunity without vaccinating as many people as we can, it is estimated that there will be more than 100 billion in lost income, and so many people will be at home sick that the economy will do very poorly as well. It's just really, really important. If you want to do this, if you think you don't want to do it, please reconsider. If you don't do it for yourself, do it for the people that you love. Also, many people have said to me, well, there's a 99% chance I'm going to be fine if I get this virus. Well, that is absolutely true, but what you don't do if you get this virus is stop the spread. You don't stop the spread when you don't have symptoms yet, you're spreading it, more people are getting it, and there are more effects to the economy and there are more deaths, and it's just going to continue to perpetuate. So we've got to stop it. The best way to stop it is to develop this population immunity. The best way to develop this population immunity is to get vaccinated. It's our best shot. Thank you.